Hey, what is up everybody? Josh Quinones here, and today we are going to be taking a look at 4 cases for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. These cases are by Ringke. This is an early look at the cases. I do not have an official device in hand as of yet, but it is pre-ordered, so as soon as I get the official device in hand, I will be doing a full review using these cases. Now, I want to thank our friends over there at Ringke for sending these over so we can go ahead and take a look at them. If you do find yourself interested in these cases, after the video, I will leave the links down in the description below so you can head over and purchase one for yourself. I personally use these cases for the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, and I have done a full review, drop test, and everything. I will go ahead and link that video up at the top right corner of this video in case you would like to check it out. I've been using these cases for a while on my S9 Plus, and they hold up great, giving my device great protection. So hopefully this video will help you out in deciding if you should buy one of these cases or not. That way you have protection ready for your device once you receive it. You don't have to risk dropping it and cracking it and breaking it. You can throw a case right on it as soon as you receive it. So these cases range from $10.99 to $15.99 depending on which one you pick. The first one to the left is the Ringke Fusion X in black, and then the second one over here is the Ringke Onyx Black, which is actually one of my favorites. And then we got the Ringke Fusion in Smoke Black, and then we got the Ringke Air in Clear. So let's go ahead and take a look at the Fusion X in black first. Now, just feeling this case, it feels like more of a rugged case, like it's gonna give your device great protection than most cases. It is a hard plastic in the middle, and then around the sides, as you can see, it is a nice hard rubber. So say you work construction or you like going outside a lot, this is going to be great in case you drop your device on that hard surface. You can hear right there how hard this case actually is. Then you got the perfect cutouts for the camera, fingerprint sensor. Down here you got the charging port, microphone, got one for the S Pen, the speaker, and the headphone jack, and then also a microphone cutout at the top. You also get protection for the volume rockers, the Bixby button, and then your power button as well. And if I turn it to the side like this, you can see the lip on the top and bottom of the case. So if you ever put your device flat down like that, the screen should not touch the surface, leaving it unscratchable when you do that. So your screen should not get scratched if you happen to drop your device straight down like that. So yes, this is the Fusion X in black. Okay, now next we have my favorite out of the bunch, which is the Ringke Onyx in black. It has a nice brushed metal finish to it and has a nice textury feel as well. Same thing as the last case, you get the perfect cutouts for the camera and fingerprint sensor. Same thing at the bottom for the S Pen, charging port, speaker, microphone, all the good stuff. You got a microphone cutout on top as well. Now this one is not a hard case like this one over here. You're able to bend it a little bit more. It's more for a stylish look. If you want some style to your device, this is going to be a great case to pick. Now it also does give you a nice lip around the edge, especially on the top and the bottom. So same thing with this case. I actually use this case most of the time on my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, and it has done a great job. I have slammed my phone by accident, no joke, and this case has protected it very well. I have no scratches or cracks on my device. So same thing, if you put your device straight down like that, it should protect the screen very well. It also has protection for the power button, volume rockers, and the Bixby button as well. So yes, this is the Ringke Onyx in black. Beautiful case. Okay, now for the third case, we have the Ringke Fusion in Smoke Black. This is another beautiful case. It is a clear case, but it has a nice smoke black finish to it. I actually really like this one as well. This would probably be my second choice out of the 4 if I'm looking for style and protection. But if you're looking for just straight great protection, I would go with the Ringke Fusion X in black. But yes, this one is great for style and protection. It also, I don't know if you can notice on the 4 corners right here, it's kind of like a little lip on the 4 corners for when you put your device down on its back. That way the back of the actual case does not scratch up. Now, same thing as the cases before, like I showed you, has the nice lip on top and the bottom, so you can Slam your phone straight down like that and you should get no damage to the screen. Perfect cutouts for the camera and fingerprint sensor. Same thing on the bottom, you get the perfect cutouts for the headphone jack, S Pen, charging port, microphone, and then also the microphone cutout at the top. So yes, this is the Ringke Fusion in Smoke Black. All right, now last but not least is the Ringke Air in Clear. It's just a perfectly clear case if you're trying to show off whatever beautiful color you have picked for your Galaxy Note 9. This is definitely going to show off your device. Let everybody see how beautiful your Galaxy Note 9 is. Perfect cutout for the camera and fingerprint sensor. There's also a little, it kind of goes down right here, so you can try to find your way to the fingerprint sensor. This kind of helps out with finding that fingerprint sensor. Has the protection for the buttons as well, power button, volume rockers, Bixby button, perfect cutouts on the bottom and top as well. This one is a nice flexible case as well, and I forgot to mention that for this one as well. This one is not a flexible case, it's more of a hard plastic, just like that one, so it's going to give you some nice protection as well. But yes, this is more of a flexible case, something for just if you're trying to show off the beautiful color of your Galaxy Note 9. So yes, this is the Ringke Air in Clear. So there it is, you guys. This was just an early look at these cases if you plan on buying a case for your Samsung Galaxy Note 9 before you receive your device. I hope this video was able to help you out in making your decision. Like I said before, these cases range from around $10.99 to $15.99 on Amazon, depending on which one you pick. And like I said, I will throw the links down in the description below in case you do find yourself interested. You can head on over to those links and purchase one of these cases, or maybe 2 or 3 of these cases for yourself. So before I end this video, I want to share with you guys one more thing. Our buddies over there at Ringke also sent me a complimentary fast wireless charger, which you see up there at the top right, charging an S9 at the moment. I've been using it for a couple of days, and to be honest, I have never used a wireless charger before, and I'm pretty impressed with how this one works, how fast it actually charges your phone. Now, of course, it's not going to charge as fast as a regular fast charger, but let me show you guys, let me compare the two. Once you plug it into the charger, or once you set the phone on there, it does tell you how long until your battery reaches 100%. So I'm gonna compare this wireless charger to the regular fast charger and show you just how well it works. All right, so this is what the charger looks like. It's not too big, it's a good small size. So I'm gonna go ahead and set the S9 on the charger and let's see how long it says it's going to take to charge to 100%. Here we go. Now it's gonna pop up right now, fast charging wirelessly, about 1 hour and 34 minutes until fully charged. There it is. So we got that. Now let's go ahead and actually plug it into the regular fast charger. All right, so I got it plugged into a regular fast charger right here, and it says it's going to take about 1 hour and 4 minutes until fully charged. So that's about a 30-minute difference, which is not bad at all. That's actually really good for a wireless fast charger to only take about 30 minutes more to charge your phone. It's convenient if you don't feel like plugging in an actual charger into your device. You can just set this on the wireless charger and it's ready to go. So I gotta thank my buddies over there at Ringke for sending this over to me. So there it is, you guys. We got a nice look at these 4 awesome cases by Ringke and also that nice fast wireless charger. You guys leave your comments down below. Let me know your thoughts on these and if you plan on getting one for your Galaxy Note 9. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a huge thumbs up on this video if you did like it and found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications if you have not already, so you don't miss out on anything to come. You guys, thank you so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace out.